Hello everyone, today in front of me is the Apple's latest and greatest hardware, iPhone 5. So I want to see how does it interact with the new iOS 6. So let's open up the box. This is the Apple iPhone 5 box. This is a typical Apple iPhone 5 box. Here you can see the Apple branding, iPhone, Apple, iPhone 5, Apple, some specification behind the box, what's accessories included in the box. So let's open this up. So here's the Apple iPhone 5 box. This is the Apple's latest iPhone 5. Let's keep it aside and look at what's accessories inside the box. There's some documentation from Apple, warranty information we get, so SIM ejecting tool, all the paperwork. Hello! Apple stickers. So first up here is Apple's new lightning cable. Here you can see the new lightning cable. So very small as compared to the 30-pin light connector. Is a huge leap over the previous generation charger. Apple promises a very fast rate for this charging. This is a common Apple adapter. And here's the new Apple EarPods. This is a nice try by Apple for providing premium experience to the consumers. So now let's get back the hero of the video, Apple iPhone 5. Let's peel this sticker off. Really, it's very thin, it's very light, it feels like feather. It feels like there's no battery inside the phone, it's really very light. This phone is noticeably taller than the previous generation iPhone and it feels like it gives a look of a TV remote. As you can see, the FaceTime camera has been shifted to the middle. This thing is really extremely light. Let's run through the specs. This packs A6 DualCore 1.3 GHz processor, and here we have a 4-inch diagonally retina display screen which packs a resolution of 6.40 by 1136, and it has a PPI of 326. Here you get 8 megapixel camera having 1080p HD video recording, and it's the same which we get in the iPhone 4S but with slightly improved optics and image stabilization. Really, it feels great in the hand. It has premium look. Really, Apple has nailed it. This time Apple has opted for an aluminium back rather than the glass which is used in the iPhone 4S. Here you get a aluminium, glass and glass. I really like the way Apple has finished this product by giving a two-tone color look by glass, aluminium and glass. Let's get a detailed look at this device. Here we get is the power button which is used to lock and unlock your device. Here we have the SIM card tray where we insert the nano SIM card. Here we have some speaker grills and a new lightning port with the 3.5mm headphone jack. And here we have volume rockers and the side switch used to switch from silent to ringer or ringer to silent.